Volkswagen Rabbit. You can see the little bunny right there. There's a tiny person sitting in this car. Okay, so this is a 2009 Volkswagen Rabbit with 32,000 miles. Now somebody requested that I do a Rabbit, and here came one. Luckily it made it here before the tortoise. Well, even though these Rabbits may appear as a small car, they're actually quite roomy. I mean, I am 6'1" and I fit perfectly in here. And the seats aren't even that bad either. Well, let's get around, critique the interior. We'll have to close the door. Hold on. The interior is actually quite decent. I mean, the entire dashboard is all soft to the touch. The entire thing. You can see. Steering wheel, nicely thick. There's really no controllers of any sort. Everything is all on the levers here. Cruise control, right on the same signal lamp switch. Steering wheel tilts and telescopes manually. Here you have in-dash CD. As you can see, here are your hazards. There's your climate control. A little tray, little compartment there. A power outlet. Electronic stability control. Obviously these come with a 5-speed manual. There's an e-brake, cup holders. The center console does harden right up to that hard textured plastic. And here's the rest of the center console. There seems to be some connectivity here, possibly for like an iPod or something like that. But not much storage in there though. It's not really that sure-footed. You can see the center console is made in two pieces. The top portion does jiggle around a little bit, but the lid itself is very sturdy. And it's nice to see that it actually slides forward. More added comfort there. It's actually nicely padded. Door panel is hard to the touch, but it has like a slight rubbery feel to it. But it's hard overall. Here you have some cloth and padding over here. So it's not too hard, but it's not going to be the most comfortable place either. Your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Here's a glove compartment. You can see it's chilled. Here's your mirror. Its vanity light up above. Holder for sunglasses. Here's some lighting fixtures. Interior lighting on and off switch when you open the doors. Let's take a look under the hood. And into the back seat. And for such a small car, the back seat is quite generous, and I was actually quite comfortable the way I had the seat positioned. And you can see it has loads of legroom. You even have rear AC vents here. The armrest is also slightly padded, at least they didn't leave it as this hard, bare plastic. So it's not too bad. You also have a little pocket. Seats do fold down. Obviously, this is a little two-door hatch. You have no armrest in the middle though. You can see you have some lighting fixtures up above with some oh shit handles. Here's the cargo area. It's not too bad for such a small car. Just see the spare tires. Spare tires underneath. It has the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. This car has the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. Not really the most refined engine, and not the most powerful either. I believe it only makes 170 horsepower. But for such a small car, it's actually going to be quite peppy. Yeah, this is not a bad little car. Wish this one would have preferred the 2.0 T in this, though. That's a much better engine.
Talking to Daryl, Daryl said they've had a great week. They've had a really good week. They had a consistently decent week. We had Monday was a disaster, Tuesday was a struggle. Yesterday was okay.
That's the Volkswagen Rabbit.